From the snow-capped peaks of towering mountains to the depths of the ocean floor, our planet is a tapestry woven with awe-inspiring beauty and raw, untamed power. It is a power that can nurture life in all its forms, but also unleash forces of unimaginable magnitude. The forces we know as natural disasters. Every year, these events, earthquakes, hurricanes, tornadoes, floods, wildfires, impact millions of lives, leaving behind trails of destruction. But while these events can be devastating, they also offer profound lessons in resilience and adaptation. Deep within the Earth's crust, massive tectonic plates are in constant, albeit slow motion. These plates grind against each other, building up unimaginable pressure over millennia. Then, suddenly, the pressure becomes too great, and the Earth's crust fractures, releasing the pent-up energy in the form of seismic waves. This is an earthquake. The ground trembles and heaves, buildings sway and crumble, and the very landscape can be reshaped within moments. But even in the face of such devastation, the human spirit endures, and the long process of rebuilding begins. Over the warm tropical oceans, where the sun's energy heats the surface water, hurricanes take shape, fueled by heat energy from condensing water vapor. Known as typhoons in the western Pacific, these storms can span hundreds of miles. Their winds can exceed 150 miles per hour, causing widespread damage, uprooting trees, tearing roofs off buildings, and creating dangerous storm surges. Yet there is a strange beauty to these storms, a testament to nature's power. While hurricanes dominate the tropics, tornadoes wreak havoc in the mid-latitudes. These violently rotating columns of air can unleash winds over 300 miles per hour. Tornadoes are unpredictable, their paths erratic and difficult to forecast. They can appear suddenly, tearing through the landscape, then vanish quickly. The enhanced Fujita scale categorizes tornadoes based on wind speed and damage. Unlike hurricanes, tornadoes concentrate their fury on a narrow path. Water, the essence of life, can also become a destructive force, transforming landscapes and upending lives. Floods, the most common natural disaster, occur when water overflows its natural boundaries, inundating land that is typically dry. They can be triggered by a variety of factors, from heavy rainfall and rapid snowmelt to dam failures and coastal storm surges. The impact of floods can be devastating and far-reaching. Raging floodwaters can sweep away homes, businesses, and infrastructure, leaving behind a trail of debris and destruction. Beyond the immediate impact, floods can have long-lasting consequences, including public health risks and economic tolls. Fire, an essential element in many ecosystems, can also turn destructive, transforming vast landscapes into infernos. Wildfires, fueled by dry vegetation, strong winds, and often exacerbated by human activities, are a natural part of many environments. However, as climate change leads to hotter, drier conditions in many parts of the world, wildfires are becoming more frequent, intense, and destructive. Some wildfires move slowly, consuming the undergrowth and leaving larger trees relatively unscathed, while others race across the landscape driven by strong winds. The ecological impact of wildfires can be both destructive and regenerative, clearing out dead vegetation and making way for new growth. As we've witnessed, natural disasters are a stark reminder of nature's incredible power, a power that can both awe and terrify. Yet these events need not be unstoppable tragedies. While we cannot prevent earthquakes or hurricanes, we can learn to live in greater harmony with the natural world and mitigate the risks posed by these events. By understanding the science behind these events, we can develop better forecasting and warning systems, giving communities more time to prepare and evacuate. By adopting stricter building codes in disaster-prone areas, we can create more resilient infrastructure. By fostering a culture of preparedness, we can empower individuals and communities to take proactive steps to protect themselves and their property.